What's up, fourth grade? We are going to continue our research on the black-footed ferret this week, and I want you to get more information to be able to write your research paper. All right, we are going to be using the worldwildlife.org to be reading our article today. Now, I encourage you to practice safe internet searches and usage, and to please include your parents as much as you can in the research. All right, let's get started. I'm going to read this article to you, but I do encourage you to go back and reread the article. Okay, once thought to be globally extinct, black-footed ferrets are making a comeback. For the last 30 years, concerted efforts from many state and federal agencies, zoos, Native American tribes, conservation organizations, and private landowners have given black-footed ferrets a second chance for survival. Today, recovery efforts have helped restore the black-footed ferret population to nearly 300 animals across North America. Although great strides have been made to recover the black-footed ferret, habitat loss and disease remain key threats to this highly endangered species. All right, here are the maps and places of where they're at and how much they weigh, all sorts of stuff. Okay, let's continue. Why they matter. The black-footed ferrets are one of the most endangered mammals in North America and are the only ferret species native to the continent. Their recovery in the wild signifies the health of the grassland ecosystem, which they depend on to survive. All right, the threats. Now, the habitat loss and non-native disease threatens the recovery of the black-footed ferret. The ferret is entirely dependent on the presence of prairie dogs and their colonies for food, shelter, and raising young. Without ample reintroduction sites and the protection from plague, full black-footed ferret recovery remains difficult. But what are they doing to help this? 15 black-footed ferrets are being released into prairie dog colonies on the Fort Belknap Reservation in September 2015. Black-footed ferrets were first reintroduced on the reservation in 1997, but an outbreak of Salvatic plague swept through the release sites in 1999 and decimated populations of ferrets and prairie dogs, the ferret's main food item. Since then, prairie dog populations have rebounded. New plague management tools are in place, and the Fort Belknap Fish and Wildlife Department, in partnership with the World Wildlife Fund, Defenders of Wildlife, and the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, are working together to return the masked bandit of the prairie to the reservation. A total of 52 ferrets were released in 2013 and 2014. Right here tells you how you can help. Okay, so I've linked this to your assignment for today, so you will be able to go back and reread it, which I encourage you to do so. Now, here's your assignment for today. I know it does look similar to what you were working on last week, but it does have some new information. So where does it live? You will have to type here where it lives, and please put these shapes. Now, the way you do that, you go to Insert, Shape, and I clicked on the oval. So here's what you'll do. You just put it however, it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, and your black-footed ferret lives, oh, it's not letting me pull it up. All right, I mean, you got it. It lives right here, so this is where you'd put it. Okay, please type in complete sentences. Do not copy and paste. You can go put the information in your own words, and please gather as much information as you can. Right here on the interesting fact, please don't put the same fact that you put last week. I want a new fact. That way you can get more information about your black-footed ferret. Now, remember, my example is a leatherback turtle because that was my animal, but your animal is a black-footed ferret. Okay, fourth grade, if you have any questions, please ask me on Google Classroom and I'll get back to you super fast, and do your very best. All right, I'll see you soon.